Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Skoda Octavia. One owner only and in pristine condition. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. It looks classy, European, and very premium. Have a look at the side profile. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Skoda, it is a brand from Czech Republic, but it's under VW Group. So that means you are getting Volkswagen and Audi technology without overpaying for the brand. Really value for money. This unit also comes with very nice set of original wet sport rims wrapped in Continental Premium Contact 7. Have a look at the side profile, and the paintwork on this car is simply pristine. Very good condition. Also have a look at the behind, just as beautiful. Another thing I want to show you guys is the rear lights animation. Check this out. Very nice. These kind of little details really add up to making this car more special. Another cool thing, we have a sportback design. Have a look at the boot space. Just wow. Boot space is absolutely massive. Can fit a lot of things. The rear benches can be folded to create even more room. Of course, this thing is removable. And over here we have another compartment. This plastic can be removed, as you can see. We have hooks on both sides and even additional hook here if you want to hang your things. Over here we have a handle to make it easy to pull. Behind, absolutely massive room for your rear passengers. Just look at the amount of leg room you have. Beautiful leather seat mixed with textile, which is very nice. When you sit down, your backside won't sweat in hot country like Singapore. Plus, we have a rear passenger aircon as well. And now, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice and spacious cabin. First thing I want to show you guys are the seats. They're very nice and sporty, super comfortable, and they hug you very nicely. They're also very wide. I like this a lot. Very cool looking 2-spoke steering wheel with pedal shifters, of course, multifunctional. This is your speedometer cluster, which you can also change different views for it. Very cool. Your touchscreen infotainment system, also very nice. Another thing I want to show you guys, this is quite cool. Okay, I press the car here, and then look, when I on my blinkers, it also shows on animation. How nice is that? Inside there we have 2 USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad for your phone. This is your gear selector. Those of you who've seen new Audi vehicles, you'll find this very familiar. Electric parking brake, auto hold function, couple of cup holders, which of course can be concealed nicely. This is storage compartment, also comfortable for your elbow. Another storage over there, another storage over here. Overall, Skoda is a very practical car. And look at the sunglasses holder, also very large. Can probably squeeze in 2 sunglasses if you wish so. All right, well guys, have another look. Okay guys, overall it is an excellent car. The drive quality is very premium. Just now I forget to show you, but the doors, just listen to the sound. Very heavy, very nice, very Continental. This car on series, we still got 5 years and 7 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy. On top of that, for this unit, I will give you extended warranty up to 1 year. So you can drive it worry-free, because these cars, they are reliable, they are good to drive, such pleasure, and super value for money. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.